Ron did his undergraduate degree in electrical engineering at University of Toronto. There's a bit of time in between where he played some professional baseball, and then he jumped into medical school, again at University of Toronto.
It meant the world. He was so proud to be an engineer. He just loved his engineering. He loved U of T. You know, it was the only place to be.
My dad was on the 1969 Miracle Mets, which was a pretty famous team. And so they actually asked my dad and some other players to go over to Vietnam as part of the USO tours, and having them spend some time with some of the wounded soldiers, lift their spirits, sit on the edge of the bed, tell some stories about baseball, just spend some time with them. That was the first kind of push of him really thinking about what he wanted to do with the rest of his life. And I think it was really help people, and medically seemed to be the obvious choice. And he talked to some of the physicians over there, and he felt their passion for caring for these individuals.
He was known to be a really good diagnostician in medicine, and so if someone came in with a problem, they would give a list of their ailments, and then Ron, you could just see him analyze everything, put it together, and come out with a diagnosis. And he always would say, that's the engineer in me. I'm bringing my engineering to medicine, and it really is helpful.
He was so passionate and talked so passionately about his degree in engineering and his experience at University of Toronto in the program, and that he carried it with him everywhere he went. I know that this award would mean a great deal to him. So it's pretty special that it's in engineering.
He would be humbled and honored and just so thankful that he was remembered, and that people in engineering, which was so close to his heart, that they honored him this way.